how to learn the technique of Tunisian crochet. With Annie's Tunisian Afghan Kit Club, Annie's has launched a new crochet Afghan club called the Tunisian Crochet Afghan Kit Club. Annie's Tunisian Afghan Kit Club allows crochets to learn the fascinating technique of Tunisian crochet in 27 types of stitches. We love the Tunisian crochet because it gives the speed of a crochet hook, but your work resembles the beautiful textures of knitting. What you get with the Tunisian kit, you will receive all of the yarn, full color patterns, and video tutorials taught by Terre Orchard. You'll need within each kit. As a special bonus for joining, their first kit will also include a digital stitch guide and a Tunisian crochet starter pack that includes 6.0 millimeters, 6.5 millimeters, and 7.0 millimeters with Tunisian crochet hooks with 20 for clear, flexible cables permanently adhered 10. Locking stitch markers tapestry needle. You will love that you can hit the ground running as soon as they receive their first kit in the mail. No need to go to the store and find a Tunisian crochet hook or research how to work Tunisian stitches. Choose between 3 colorways: Americana, Natural Pearl, and Wild Berry. A unique way to crochet. The speed of a crochet hook meets the smooth textures of knitting in this special technique that's unlike any other crochet stitch. The timeless Tunisian style is trending in the crochet community and it's never been easier to master. Check out Annie's Tunisian Crochet Afghan Kit Club. It is a monthly subscription packed with everything you need to crochet this beautiful simpler Afghan. Perfectly paced. This 10-month kit series is guided by detailed patterns and expert online video tutorials to walk you through every step. Your first kit even includes a free Tunisian hook. Choose the color of yarn you want to use for this project and get started today with the Tunisian Crochet Afghan Kit. Learn more about getting the kit at a discount and more in the description link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Craft Drawer.